Hello everyone. Let us continue learning C language. In this video, we are going to discuss about formatted and unformatted input-output statements. The formatted input-output statements are scanf and printf statements, both of which requires a format specifier in place to specify the format of the variable we are printing to the screen. For example, if you wanted to receive an input for an integer variable, then our scanf statement would be scanf %d, ampersand the variable name. Similarly, if you wanted to print a value of an integer variable, it is printf %d, the variable name. So these are the common syntaxes which we use for scanf and printf statements. So whatever the data type we wanted to print on the screen, it absolutely requires a format specifier in place. Now these are called as your formatted input and output statements. Now what about unformatted input output statements? Now these are some functionalities which is written in place to receive input for character variables or character array, so that there is no need of any format specifier in place to receive the input. Now let us see what are those. There are only very limited unformatted input output statements, and those are getCh. This is a very common function which you would have noticed in your Turbo C execution, and this function was especially used in Turbo C environment to hold the output screen. It is wait to make the output window wait for the user to enter some of the key so that the output can be legibly seen by the user. And there is another similar variant to this, which is called as getChe, which does a similar action of getting a single character input from the user. The only difference between getCh and getChe is nothing but getCh will not print whatever we type from the keyboard. That is, if I press a key from keyboard, this won't be displayed in the screen. Rather, it terminates the output. Whereas getChe will print that value into the screen and then quits out of the window. And similarly, we have one more function called as getChar. This is also a function which is required to receive a character input from the user, which requires an enter key to be pressed after that. And we have putChe, and we also have getS and puts. Now the last two functions are to receive a string input and print the string output. And now let us see each and every function in detail. Now to begin with, I'm starting with my header file. Before I'm saving my file as IO statements or else unformatted.c, starting with the header file of standard input output.h, and having a main function, after which I'm declaring a single character variable called ch, which is nothing but a single character variable. To read input for the single character variable, I am going to use getCh function, which will be stored inside a variable called ch. And to verify what the input I've got into it, so I'll print %c, ch, and end with a return 0 statement. Let us compile and verify it. gcc unformatted.c -o UFOR. So I'm running a custom execution name. Warning, it says this function is deprecated. This function is not found. Instead, this is replaced with getC as the function. Now this is an output. Now getCh is a function which is present inside the header file called conio.h, that is console input output.h, which is a very common file you would have noticed. And we would also had a function called clr-scr as a function to clear the screen, but that is not possible in this window because this is a native Windows terminal, Windows command prompt, so we cannot do it. But rather, now observe this functionality, observe what this getCh does. Okay. Now when I run this file, I'm going to type a key, but that key won't be displayed. That won't be echoed to the screen. That is, echo is a command we call it in terms of bash command. It won't be echoed to the screen. Rather, it does only the printing action. Let us here. I'm saying ch is equal to. Okay. I'll compile this once again. Now I'll run this. I am pressing a key called F. It is not showing the input sequence. It is not showing how the input is being received. Rather, it is only displaying the character. So that is what it's called. It won't echo the input to the screen. Whereas if you use getChe, I'll compile this once again. When I run this, you could see what is the key we are typing. That is R is the key I typed. and it says ch is equal to r. Okay, I'll do this in a new line so that you can see it legibly. I'll compile it one more time. I'll run this. So character T is what I typed, and that is received and stored inside the variable called ch. Okay, but if this is get ch alone, I'll compile it and run it once again. I'm pressing a key called G, character G from the keyboard, but that is not displayed. It is not displayed here. Rather, it is only showing the output. So this is the difference between get ch and get che. Okay, and let us also talk about get char, get char. Let me compile this. Now I'm pressing. I'll run this now. Now I'm pressing a key called Q. The cursor is still holding on the screen for me to press a key. I need to press enter right now. When I press enter only, then the input is received. Okay. So I'll run it one more time. It is not just character. If I press Y, I'll type one more character. So whichever characters you keep typing it, it keeps receiving it. And you need to press enter so that it receives the very first character alone. You need to press enter to get and store the input in the character variable called ch. So those are the differences between get ch. We have seen about 3 functions. One is get ch. Another one is get che. Another one is get char. Okay. This won't echo the input to the terminal. This will echo the input to the terminal, and get chr needs enter key after the input. These are the common simple differences between these 3 functions. Apart from this, when you talk about gets and puts, it is pretty much simple. It is still literally the same thing you can do. Now, instead of using printf statements, I'll try and show you with put ch. I'll compile this, run this again. I'm entering a key called R. You could see R is seen twice on the screen. The first one is the input, second one is the output. The input is done with the help of get ch function. The put ch prints it. So that is as simple as your printing statements. It can be done only for characters, and it is similar to put che as well. Sorry, it's called put char. Again, I'm pressing a key. It has been done twice. So get put ch, and you also have one more function called put char. Both are similar function to print a character to the screen. Get string and put string. Let's talk about the other function for receiving and printing strings, for which we need a string array of size 10. So I'm saying gets of str. So I'll use with print with the formatted string statement. Printf /n. The string is %s, str. Okay. I'm receiving with an unformatted statement and printing with a formatted statement. I'm compiling it and running it again. So I'm entering a string called welcome. The string is welcome. So I'll also say hello world. The string is hello world. You could see how it is printed. Clear? So gets is an unformatted statement to receive string input, or you can do this as I'll print the sequence and also set puts of str. I can also do like this, which is an unformatted output statement. Compile it, run it again. Welcome, hello. So it prints welcome, hello. Clear? So these are the functionalities about unformatted IO statements. And those functions we have seen today in this video are get ch, get che, get char, put ch, put char, gets and puts. The first 5 functions are to receive and print the character variable. The last 2 are to receive and print a string value. And that's all about unformatted input and output statements. See you in the next video. Thank you.